Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Shekhar. In this video, I'm going to show you this oil. I'm going to review this product in this video. I have given the product link in description. If you want to buy the product, you can touch the link and the link will go to Amazon and you can buy the product. Come on, let's start a video now. Don't skip this video. Ayurvedic Kumkumadi oil does exactly what it claims. I loved its smell, textures and effect. It has reduced dark spot on my skin up to a huge extent. Extremely happy with the product, a must buy. Kumkumadi Thailam is an Ayurvedic herbal oil used for face massage. It improves skin textures, increase blood circulation, slow down again, and relieve skin problems such as acne, scare, etc. Kumkuma means saffrons, which is the main ingredient of this oil. I'm using this product from last 10 days and loving it totally. This Kumkumadi oil has the goodness of real saffron, which can be seen in the bottle. The oil has an orange tint and mild scent. Apply it after washing face in the morning and night. Massage with circular motion over the face. The effect can be seen from the first day itself. It gives an instant and healthy glow, moisturize the skin very well and make it plump. Best Kumkumadi oil used till now. The cost is worth it and quality is enough for a long period. I found this oil really effective. I purchased and tried it regularly for 2 weeks and really happy as my skin glow got a little brighten up and feel smooth. Seeing the result, my sister also wanted so got another bottle recently. It's an awesome facial oil, but it's bit strictly not that light kind. Got to wash the face after using. Was earlier waiting for this. The packaging is perfect. Sometimes I have seen oil split on the cover while delivery, but this was amazing. No sign of even a single drop anywhere on the cover nor the branding. The moment you open it, the smell of saffron and chandan cannot be missed. Wanted to use it today itself, applied. Once you face wash, you really feel the softness on your face. Overall, happy with the oil. I like the scent of the product. I use it like a nighttime serum. Unlike cream, it does not leave patches in your skin. Mine is acne prone skin. It works on blemishes without glowing my pores. The only drawback of this product is it can be used outdoors as it look a little bit oily. Other than that, love this product and its climbing and soothing effect of skin. The best face oil I have ever used. I gave me great result. Dry skin is now my past. Just love how it is easily absorbed by the skin and gives that glow to our face and how it gives us a soft skin. Really happy with the product and the difference it has made. You just have to apply it twice a day and amazing result it will be on its way. The packaging of the bottle is really appealing. The fragrance of the oil is so mesmerizing. I have been using this over a week and have seen a considerable change. It moisturizes the skin really nicely. Excellent product. Loved the mild scent, the clarity of oil, and the actual saffron strand included in the bottle. Perfect packaging. Full mark. Worth for the price given. It really loved the fragrance. Well, let me tell you, arrived in just 3 days after placed the order. I most used this oil every day before going to bed. My skin never felt so soft before. I recommended some of my friends to use this product. The lightweight and quickly absorbing texture leave a non-sticky finish, melting onto the skin, leaving it silky and soft. After a week of using it, a sign of again appear reduced, wrinkled appear minimized, and skin feel more elastic and firm. I loved this product and makes skin clear and bright after my third use itself. Fully satisfied, good quality packaging and fast delivered, suitable for oily skin too and best for dry skin. If you have dry skin, go for it. This product has been a blessing on my face ever since I have been using it. Totally recommended buying this. Everything from the packaging, the scent, and the moisturizing is amazing. Absolutely loved it. I have given the link in description. If you touch this link in description, the link will directly go to Amazon and you can purchase the product from there. Because more people asked to me to give the link in description, so I'm giving. If you're willing to buy, you can touch the link and it will directly go to Amazon and you can purchase from there. If you like this video, if you enjoy this video, if you are interested in like this more product review video, you can subscribe my channel, because in my channel I am uploading only product review video, and these comments and these reviews are taken from Amazon. So I think you have enjoyed this video. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.